Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore cursor in focus states in Material Design UI detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore cursor in focus states in Material Design UI, begin by identifying the components where you need to implement these states. Open your project in your code editor. Locate the CSS or style file associated with your material design components. Ensure you have the necessary imports for material design components. Create a new CSS class specifically for cursor and focus states. Define the styles for the cursor state in your new CSS class. Use the rule cursor pointer to indicate interactive elements. Next, define the focus state by using the pseudo-class focus. Add styles like a border or background color change to enhance visibility. Consider using a box shadow effect to give a clear indication of focus. Apply your new CSS class to the relevant components in your HTML or JSX files. Use the className attribute for React components to apply your styles. For standard HTML elements, simply add the class to the class attribute. Test the components to ensure the cursor state is functioning as expected. Next, check the focus state by navigating through your UI using the keyboard. Make adjustments to the styles as necessary to improve accessibility. Be mindful of color contrast for the focus state to ensure visibility. Once satisfied with the visual cues, move on to testing on different devices. Consider how touch interfaces might behave when implementing these styles. Finally, review your code for any unnecessary styles or redundancies. Save your changes and refresh your project to see the updated states in action. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.